Okay, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do some problem of the math competition. So this is the Siam International Math and Science Olympics 2021, and this is for grade 11s and 12 mock exam, and we will do question 1 to 3 only per video, I guess. And after I have done it, I will put down the similar question to each, just as a practice for you guys to practice how do you get from my video, and do you really understand what I'm saying, I was about to say, or not. Alright, let's get into it. So question 1, Penta prime are numbers with exactly 5 distinct prime factors, which is not a Penta prime. Okay, so which is not a Penta prime? So yeah, okay, so to do this, I might have to ask, what is Penta prime? So Penta prime is like, Penta mean 5. Okay, so Penta mean 5, and prime, so like, what is prime number? Prime number is the whichever number that can only be divisible by itself and 1, such as, let's say 2, let's say 2, 3, 5, and so on. 7 is 9 count? No, because 9 can be divided by 3, can be divided by 9, and also can be divided by 1. How about 1? 1 also doesn't count. Okay, so yeah, and so on. This is prime number. So penta prime, which means the question trying to ask if what number that doesn't make the product of 5 prime number. Let's say I might start with A. Okay, let's say A. Okay, I will add a page. A is 2310. Okay, so you might have to find the prime factorization. So okay, I will start dividing one by one. There's no rush, so I will divide by the number with a small number first. Let's say 2. If I divide by 2, this is going to be 1, 1, I got 1 left, so 11, 11 divided by 2 is going to be 5 left, 11, if 2 5 times is 10, so you got 1 left, so you drop 0, it's going to be 5 again. I don't think I can divide by 2, so I will divide by 5 since the end of the numbers is 5. So you guys are grade 11 and 12, so I don't need to explain much about this. So just what, okay, here you go. So it's 2 is gonna be 1 left, so 15 divided by 5 is 3, you got 0 left, it's gonna be 1. Okay, is there any other number that you can divide? Let's say, let's say 7, or okay, let's say 7. Okay, 7 3 times 21, so you got 2 left, 21 again, you get 3. Okay, so you divide by 3 is gonna be 11. You divide by 11, so you will get 1, which mean 2310 is equal to 2 times 5 times 7 times 3 times 2 times 5 times 7 times 3 times 11. Alright, so yeah guys, you can see this is the prime, they are all prime number, and this is called penta prime, which is 5 number. Okay, so all good. As for B, Wait, let's just look at the question again. The question asks which is not, right? Yes, which is not. So if this is S, so we don't take it. This is not the answer. So B. Okay, guys. So let's just do B. Let's see if the B is the answer or not. So B is 6,000. Sorry, 6,000. No, not 6,000. 69,000 and 69. So yeah, and okay, we do the same thing, guys. You all are correct. 11, 10, or 12. Okay, so I think you are able to do it already. I might just need the computer, no, I mean calculator, to speed up my work. So yeah, 69069 divided by, let's say 3, divide by 7, divide by 11, right? Divide by, is there any other number? 3, 7, 11 divided by 13. Okay, so it's right. So this is equal to 3 times 7 times 11 times 13 times 23. So yeah, so this also the penta prime, which is not the answer, right? Because the question was asked to find the one that not. So C, the number is, forget that, sorry. So 10, 6 to 6. 10, 6 to 6. So okay, we do the same thing, guys. Okay, 10, 6 to 6. You say divided by 2, divide by 3, divide by 7. Oh yeah, divided by 11. Divide. Okay, so this is gonna be 2 times 3 times 7 times 11 and times 23. So this is also the penta prime. Okay, which is not the answer. So the answer would be D, no doubt. Or I can just prove it. So D is, as I remember, is 32, 34. Divide by okay, it's 32, 34 is equal to okay, divided by 3, divided by 2, okay, divided by 7. Oh, this is divided by 7 and 11. So this is equal to 3 times 2 times 11 times 7 times 7. So this is the answer. This is not the penta prime. Why? Because you can see a double product of 7. So yeah, so we don't take it. So guys, remember that, okay, remember, so penta prime are all here. Penta prime are the numbers with exactly 5 distinct prime factors, 5 distinct. Okay, so which we have to find all the numbers that are not the same, that are not duplicate. So yeah, 2, the sum of age of SIMSO and unknown is 24. The sum of the age of SIMSO and at head is 32, and the sum of the age of Atit and unknown is 20. What is the age of Atit 5 years ago? So yes, guys, I think I can just do it somewhere here. This is not so messed up. This is not that hard to solve, right? So I can say, okay, let's just take the first capital, the first letter of the name. Okay, let's say S plus A is 24. S plus, wait, F plus AN. Oh, I think we cannot do that. How about we do, let's say this is X, this is Y, sorry, this is Y, and the third would be Z. Okay, so let's say X plus Y is 24. X again plus a third would be Z is equal to 32, and X plus Z is equal to 20, which is the sum of a third and unknown. So yeah, you can just solve this guy. I think you got a grade 11 or 12 again and again. I think this is just fine for you guys. So yeah, okay, if I add everything together, I will get x 2 times of x, okay, plus y plus z. Where does come from? It will be 2x, 2y, 2z, and I factorize 2 out, so I would get 2 times x plus y plus z equal to what? The sum would be 76. Yes. Okay, so x plus y plus z is 38, right? So the question tried to ask the age of a third, which is z. Okay, so you are trying to find z, you have to eliminate x and y, but then you see x and y is the sum of x and y is 24, so 24 plus z is 38, so z would be 38 plus, no, minus 24, it should be 12, right? No, 14, my bad. So 14. Okay, so the question asks, what is the age of athlete 5 years ago? So that would be 5 years ago, he aged 9, isn't it? See? Yes. Okay. So 3, okay, how many significant figures are there in the sum of this? 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12, no, 100 plus 1 over 1 million. So, okay, I think this is fine. You can just convert that into decimal, decimal point, decimal number very quick. So this is would be 0.1, 0.01, this is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you see, we got how many number? Wait, how many decimal? Isn't it 6? Okay, so right, so that would be what? Okay, so that would be you sum of it. Okay, sum, I will write it somewhere here. That is gonna be 0.11. Okay, how many threes? How many zero after that? It would be 3 0. 1, 2, 3, 1. Right, guys. So how many significant figure in this? How many? Do we count 0? Of course we count 0, but not this 0. We got 6 significant figure. Okay, so I think, okay, we will see each other on the next video, and I will put the bonus problem or the practice problem, I will drop it down below as the description, so you guys can find the document and you can just do it. And I will also post the answer only in my reel, so you guys can check and confirm the answer. Okay, so bye guys, see you on the next video. Thanks.